Welcome again to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Ubuntu. So if you are a person who is trying to get into the Linux world and you are trying to find which version of Linux should I install, because believe me, there are tons of options we have, okay, in Linux, unlike of the Mac OS and like Windows. In Linux we have multiple options. So today we are going to talking about the Ubuntu, and it's really famous, used worldwide by many people, like thousands of people. So to install it, first of all we have to download it from here. If you type Ubuntu on the any browser, it will take you to the www.ubuntu.com. So you can download the desktop version over here. If you wanted to try the server version, you can download it from here, and this is the premium version. For that you have to pay. So let me download it from here. I already downloaded this version, so you can download it. This one, this is the latest one, 24.0.4.1 LTS. They will give you long-term support. Obviously it is 5.8 G file. I have already downloaded, so let me just run my virtual box and I'm going to show you how you can install it. So as you can see, it's now checking the disk. So after that it will start the installation procedure. This particular operating system is good. It's very famous in Linux. Like there are other more. Okay, so now it's saying welcome. So we can either try it from here or we can install it. So we are going to install it, obviously. So let me close this and we are going to install. This is the keyboard layout we have to select. So I'm going to leave it on like English US, and this one is this. So continue. Now it's asking for the updates and other software. So I'm going to select normal installation, and the other option is like that to install third-party softwares, Wi-Fi driver and hardware etc. So make sure select this option only if you have internet connection. So I'm going to let it unchecked now. So continue. You can do this later also when we will install the updates. So we can do that after that time also. Now we have to type of the installation, like we want to erase the whole disk and install the Ubuntu, or if you wanted to do something like else. So I'm going to erase the whole disk, and this is the advanced feature. If you wanted to use LVM with the new Ubuntu installation, you can do that. Experimental erase disk with ZFS. Okay, so you can do that also. Let's let it be on the default and install it now. Okay, it's asking that it's going to delete each and everything from this disk that we are installing Ubuntu on, and going to create this partition. So make sure you do not have any data content on that particular drive. So I'm going to continue. Okay, this is now we asking where we are from. We are have to select our location for the time zone. So I'm going to select India and continue. Now we have to put a name. Make sure this will be your username. So let me put and the PC name. Okay, let me type it. This will be my username. This is my name, and this is for the password. Okay, now this is the password that we are going to use to log in. If you select this one, it will not ask you the password to log in, it will automatically log in. But if you select this one, it will ask you your password to log in your computer. So for security, make sure you have selected this one. Okay, now we can see the installation process, which is like running over here. It will take some time, so we have to wait. The installation is completed now, so I have rebooted the virtual machine and it's now booting up again. So the welcome screen is now here. So we are going to log in. You just put the password that we have entered, and it will take us to the side of the desktop. So as you can see, this is the file system you can use. It's really clean and designed very proper way. This is your recycle bin. You can go to the setting. From here you can change the background, like if you wanted to change it. They offer like some kind of pre-installed wallpaper. You can select the appearance. You can select either the light mode or the dark mode completely, which is look good. So you can select this one also. This is the dock, so you can just auto hide this if you wanted to enable this option, so it will automatically hide. So I'm going to leave it like this. This is the icon size. You can like make them smaller or bigger according to you, and all the other things. Show you the application menu. So it's something like that, which already comes with the pre-installed LibreOffice. I think pretty much every Linux version like OS comes with this thing. You can find other things like for maybe listening music, and the Remania to take the RDP access. You can take your Windows computer if you have, you can access it from here, and the other thing. So yeah, this one is great. This is the Ubuntu software. You can their software like app store, you can call it, you can software store, so you can install all the softwares from here. This is their bar. This is like you can pretty much do it everything from here. Like you can select your or check your Ethernet port from here, go to the setting, lock your computer, power off, and log out option. This is the user. So if you find any value from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much.